I don't know if you can see, but the black flies are unfathomably blood. They're just horrific. Well, spring in Maine. 32 at the butt there. They're getting in my ears. The only way I know how to protect them is ear protection. Two inches thick, 16 inches wide, 16 feet long, 6 inches. Two by 30 by 16. Two of them. They weigh 55,000 pounds if they weigh a pound. Kind of hard to believe, but all this came from one tree, one big stump, 16 feet long, just a huge chunk of wood. God, that's a massive amount of boards. Gorgeous, glorious boards. Those planks are nice. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that up there. Not quite sure what I'm going to use these giant pieces of wood for, these massive boards, but I have them. One of these sheets is more surface area than a sheet of plywood, and well, I traded pulling sap taps, pulling taps from maple trees in a sugar bush for the time on the mill, and I think it was a good trade. It was kind of fun pulling those taps anyway, and these boards are incredible. You should smell the smell. The pine is incredibly nice. Anyway, the massive planks might be good bar tops. They might be good benches. Kind of feeling like a pretty good bed right now. But the bugs would probably suck me dry. Alright, look forward to seeing what I do with these. Bugs.